What comes to mind when you think of Rolls-Royce? A $15,000 umbrella, a $45,000 Spirit of Ecstasy, or the signature rear-hinged coach doors? Why are coach doors so captivating, yet rarely used in most cars? Hi, this is Dongfeng Forthing. Follow me for unlocking new automotive knowledge. Back when cars were first invented, the people who could afford cars were the same people who could afford horse-drawn carriages. So many carriage designs were carried over to early cars, like this one, and this one. The first design was soon eliminated due to safety reasons, but coach doors remained graceful and elegant. So why didn't they become mainstream? Coach doors, also called rear-hinged doors, date back to the pre-car era, to horse-drawn carriages. Back then, infrastructure was poor, and roads were mostly dirt. As carriages traveled, they kicked up dust. Rear-hinged doors helped block the dust. Out of sight, out of mind. And let's not forget, those who rode in carriages were mostly wealthy and status-conscious. Men wore top hats, and women had elaborate headpieces. Coach doors helped them get in and out without bumping their heads. But let's not confuse carriages with cars. Their top speeds weren't even close. At high speeds, if the door wasn't fully shut, it could be flung open by the wind. And without modern seatbelts, a sharp turn could throw rear passengers right out. Which is why they were nicknamed suicide doors. With automotive engineering improvements, materials got better and door latching became reliable. But new challenges emerged. Modern car doors look like this. Rear doors have two hinge points. Part of the lower space makes room for the rear wheels. This boosts safety and space efficiency, ideal for tight parking spaces. For coach doors to have two hinge points, you either lengthen the car adding structural costs, or shrink the door width losing that elegant look. Plus, once you're seated, closing a coach door is awkward, unless you're a Rolls-Royce owner who never closes their own doors. Cost is another factor. A standard front door hinge costs about $450. A standard front door hinge costs about $1,500. Not everyone is willing to pay just for a pair of hinges. Today, cars are no longer a luxury reserved for nobility. Almost every household needs a car for daily travel. Affordability, convenience, safety are our top priorities. Forthing U-Tour uses front-hinged dual doors with secure locking systems. No fear of doors flying open on the highway. In crash tests, the doors stayed shut upon impact. 3-point seatbelts come standard for all rows, keeping passengers restrained and safe. Its 360-degree high-strength steel body maintains structural integrity even inside collisions. Airbags deploy instantly, protecting rear seat passengers. And all this while remaining affordable, perfectly priced for family use without breaking the bank. As a 7-seater family MPV, Forthing U-Tour's front-hinged dual doors also make parking safer, avoiding during accidents. Technology continues to evolve, while keeping the elegance of coach doors alive. We've learned valuable lessons to make cars safer. Today, there's no absolute better or worse. Coach doors aren't common simply because needs differ. Cars are no longer out of reach or exclusive to the elite. Like the Forthing U-Tour, many vehicles today are economical, safe, comfortable, an essential part of daily life for families everywhere.